Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making chickpea with meat. Delicious to eat, very simple to make. So let's get started. What I've done, I've soaked chickpea overnight. This is how they look once you soak them overnight, nice and plump. Chickpea generally comes dried. We need to rehydrate them and soak them overnight. Remember, first wash them well and soak it. Alright, now once they're nice and plump, we'll start cooking now. I'll be using a pressure cooker. I've taken a pressure cooker and I've turned on the flame. Once the pressure cooker heats up, we're going to start cooking. Alright, so now my pressure cooker is nice and hot. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is nicely... Now what I'm using is black bean paste. I put black bean paste in it and let it fry for 2 minutes. Once black bean heats for a while, in the oil, I'm going to add onions. Let the onions cook for a while. Alright, I can see now that the onions have become slightly translucent. Next I'm going to add is my meat. I'm going to fry my meat nicely with the black bean and let it brown for a while. Once the beef is nicely mixed with the black bean sauce, what I'm going to do is add the seasoning. Depending on how salty is your black bean, please keep in mind, accordingly add the seasoning, okay? So taste it before you add it. First I'm going to add is garlic powder, about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of, for me 1 teaspoon of chicken powder is good enough. I wouldn't want to add more because it's very salty there. Just about 1 teaspoon is fine. Okay. I'm going to mix this now. Look how nice and brown. I've used this brand of hot bean sauce. Next I'm going to add my chickpea, which I have been soaking for a while. What I'm going to be using is the same water that I used to soak the chickpea. Alright, so let's add the water as well. So I've added the water. It's going to be the same water which the chickpea was soaking in. Remember please to wash a chickpea before you soak them, because the water, you're going to be using the same water, and that water is very nutritious, because if you see, there'll be a dark orange color, which, you know, when you take out all the chickpea, you see there's a dark orange color, which is again nutrition. Alright, so remember to use that water, plus I've added another half a cup of water. Okay, now next step will be once you see a boil come up, I'm going to cover the pressure cooker and let it cook for about 10 minutes or until the chickpea is cooked and the meat is cooked. Okay, so I'll see you then. But before that, I'd like to also add one more ingredient to this, just for the flavor, which is going to be 5 spice powder. So I'm going to take about 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder and mix it. This is the 5 spice powder I'm going to be using. And as you can see, the chickpea curry or the chickpea is already started to boil. The stew has started to boil. I'm going to now cover my lid and let it cook for the next 10 to 15 minutes. So this has been cooking for the past 10 minutes was cooking. I've gone ahead and turned off the flame, and I'm going to let this cooker rest until all the steam settles, and then open it and show how it looks. If you like this recipe, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you have clicked on the like button and shared it with your friends and family, and also leave a comment. Make sure that you also click on the bell icon so that you get further notification about the next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Once the steam settles, I'm going to plate it, dish it, and show you how it looks. Alright? See you in a while. So here you go. See how well the chickpea is cooked? Nice and soft, along with the meat. I'm going to serve this with my steamed rice.